stunning red and gold cloud formations over Moscow flood social media. People in Moscow have been treated to a rare, stunning cloud formation of red and gold that seems to have covered the whole city, giving photo enthusiasts a chance to snap most impressive shots and hopefully ushering in a promising start to the spring season. It all started quite routinely, with simply beautiful sunset over Russia's capital that hasn't seen clear blue sky for a very long time because of rains, heavy clouds and sometimes even snow and hail, which are uncommon in mid-April. A sunny and warm day with almost no rains flowing into an equally warm and nice evening with the setting sun lighting up the view has been a completely unexpected gift for Moscow. However, at around 8 p.m. local time it turned out that nature had something special in store for locals. A huge cloud, resembling a cotton candy, emerged over the rooftops and could apparently be seen from each and every part of Russia's biggest city.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.